Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the universal control on MacBook Air M4. In order to do it, you just need to have your iPad next to your MacBook, and they need to be signed into the same Apple account. Just need to be close and have Wi-Fi turned on and Bluetooth probably, and then you just need to swipe your cursor to the side where your iPad lays. So in my case it'll be here, and you can see it transfers to the iPad. For the first turn on, you'll need to go a bit further. So as I'm gonna maybe turn it off. Now for the first turn on, you can see I need to swipe a bit further to switch, and now I can just use it. Of course, I can drag files. So if I go to files, for example, select something, I can of course drag it to my MacBook, place it here, and it works just like that. Also, the gestures for the iPad trackpad work, like the 3-finger swipe up or swipe up and hold to go to the recents. Everything just basically works exactly the same as on the standard like MacBook keyboard. You can just use your iPad. There's no lag. Honestly, it just doesn't lag. For some reason it just works so good. You can't transfer Windows, but that's pretty normal. And you can also just copy text and do everything else that you want. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.